It is time for story time with Granna. Is that going to be my theme song? I don't know. Hey there, it's me, Granna. And I hope you all are doing really good today. I hope you're having a fun day and a peaceful day. So what I decided to do was visit you with a story time. So first thing I did was I made a nice cup of tea. And you should make a cup of tea too, because we can have our tea together and we're going to enjoy a story. So, what story are we going to read today? I have a whole basket full of stories to pick from. And I guess I'm just going to reach in here and see what I get. Let's see. All right, this one's one of my favorites. The Little Engine That Could. By Waddy Piper. Chug, chug, chug. Puff, puff, puff. Ding dong, ding dong. The little train rumbled over the tracks. She was a happy little train. For she had such a jolly load to carry. Her cars were filled full of good things for boys and girls. There were toy animals, giraffes with long necks, teddy bears with almost no necks at all, and even a baby elephant. Then there were dolls. Dolls with blue eyes and yellow curls. Dolls with brown eyes and brown bobbed heads. And the funniest little toy clown you ever saw. And there were cars full of toy engines, airplanes, tops, jackknives, picture puzzles, books, and every kind of thing boys or girls could want. That looks like lots of fun toys there. But that was not all. Some of the cars were filled with all sorts of good things for boys and girls to eat. Big golden oranges, red-cheeked apples, they have smiley faces. Are you all smiling at these smiley faces? Bottles of creamy milk for their breakfast, fresh spinach for their dinners, peppermint drops and lollipops for after-meal treats. The little train was carrying all of these wonderful things to the good little boys and girls on the other side of the mountain. She puffed along merrily. Then, all of a sudden, she stopped with a jerk. She simply could not go another inch. She tried and tried, but her wheels would not turn. What were all those good little boys and girls on the other side of the mountain going to do without the wonderful toys to play with and the good food to eat? Here comes a shiny new engine, said the funny little clown, who jumped out of the train. Let's ask him to help us. So all the dolls and toys cried out together, "Please, shiny new engine, won't you please pull our train over the mountain. Our engine has broken down, and the boys and girls on the other side won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us. But the shiny new engine snorted. Huh. I pull you? I am a passenger engine. I have just carried a fine big train over the mountain with more cars than you've ever dreamed of. My train had sleeping cars with comfortable berths, a dining car where waiters bring whatever hungry people want to eat, and parlor cars in which people sit in soft armchairs and look out of big plate glass windows. I pull the likes of you? Indeed not. And off he steamed to the roundhouse where the engines live when they're not busy. How sad the little train and all the dolls and toys felt. Then the little clown called out, "The passenger engine is not the only one in the world. Here's another engine coming, a great big strong one. Let's ask him to help us." The little toy clown waved his flag and the big strong engine came to a stop. "Please, oh please, big engine," cried all the dolls and toys together. "Won't you please pull our train over the mountain? Our engine has broken down, and the good little boys and girls on the other side won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us." But the big strong engine bellowed, "I am a freight engine. I have just pulled a big train loaded with big machines over the mountain. These machines print books and newspapers for grown-ups to read. I'm a very important engine indeed. I won't pull the likes of you." And the freight engine puffed off to the roundhouse. That wasn't very nice. The little train and all the dolls and toys were very sad. "Cheer up," cried the toy clown. "The freight engine is not the only one in the world. Here comes another one. He looks very old and tired, but our train is so little. Perhaps he can help us." So the little toy clown waved his flag and the dingy, rusty, old engine stopped. "Please, kind engine," cried all the dolls and toys together. "Won't you please pull our train over the mountain? Our engine has broken down, and the boys and girls on the other side won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us." It's not funny. Why am I laughing? But the rusty old engine sighed and said, "I'm so tired. I must rest my weary wheels. I cannot pull even a little train like yours over the mountain. I cannot. I cannot. I cannot." Seems like he needs a nap. And off he rumbled to the roundhouse, chugging, "I cannot, I cannot, I cannot." Then indeed the little train was very, very sad. And the dolls and toys were ready to cry. But the little clown called out, I love this optimistic clown, right? Here's another engine coming, a little blue engine, a very little one. Maybe she will help us. The very little engine came chug, chug, chugging merrily along. When she saw the toy clown's flag, she stopped quickly. What is the matter, my friends? She asked kindly. His flag is getting the job done, right? Oh, little blue engine, cried the dolls and toys. Will you pull us over the mountain? Our engine has broken down, and the good little boys and girls on the other side won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us. Please, please help us. Well, I'm not very big, said the little blue engine. They use me only for switching trains in the yard. I've never been over the mountain. But we must get over the mountain before the children awake, said all the dolls and toys. And the very little engine looked up and saw tears in the doll's eyes. And she thought of the good little boys and girls on the other side of the mountain who would not have any toys or good food unless she helped. Then she said, well, I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. And she hitched herself to the little train, and she tugged and pulled and pulled and tugged, and slowly, slowly, slowly they started off. Take a little sip of tea. The toy clown jumped aboard, and all the dolls and toys and animals began to smile and cheer. Hooray! Hooray! Puff, puff, chug, chug went the little blue engine. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I think I can. Up, up, up. Faster and faster and faster and faster the little engine climbed until at last they reached the top of the mountain. Down in the valley lay the city. Hooray! Hooray! Cried the funny little clown and all the dolls and toys. The good little boys and girls in the city will be happy because you helped us, little blue engine. Isn't she sweet? And getting the job done. That's what I'm talking about. Never doubt yourself. Try, I think you can. I think you can. I think you can, and you can, and you can, and you can. And the little blue engine smiled and seemed to say, as she puffed steadily down the mountain, I thought I could, 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 I thought I could. Boom. Woo! So the good little boys and girls on the other side of the mountain got their toys thanks to the little blue engine. But you know what was most important about this? She believed in herself. And she was willing to help others. She didn't feel like she was too good or too big or too important to help others. So it's a good lesson in this book. I really enjoyed reading to you today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And I will see you at the next story time. I love you so much. I want you to stay well and have a wonderful day.